For problem 7.5.8, we're going to find all the possible solutions for 3 sine 2 theta minus 2 sine theta equals 0. So what we're going to do is, we know that we can use the double angle formula for sine 2 of theta, and so we just plug that in for that, and we get 3 times 2 sine theta times cosine theta minus 2 sine theta equals 0. Then we multiply the 3 and the 2 together to get 6 times sine theta times cosine theta minus 2 sine theta equals 0. And then we can take out a 2 sine theta. And so we're going to be left with 2 sine theta times 3 times cosine theta minus 1. And that equals 0. And then since they're multiplied together and they equal 0, we can separate them both into 2 different equations. And so we have 2 sine theta minus 0, and we're going to isolate theta. So we're going to subtract 0, or divide 2 by both sides, and then we're going to get sine theta equals 0. And then we're going to have take the inverse of sine of 0 to get theta. We get 2 possible answers, which is pi and 2 pi. And then for the other equation, we have 3 cosine theta minus 1, and we're going to isolate theta again. So we're going to add 1 to both sides, and you're going to be left with 3 cosine theta equals to 1. And then we're going to divide both sides by 3, and then we're going to be left with cosine theta equals 1 over 3. And then we're going to take the inverse sine of 1 over 3 to get theta, and we get 1.231. And then we're going to subtract 2 pi minus 1.231 to get our reference angle, 5.052. And then we go down here and we find out that, we'll ignore this, but we find out that our possible solutions are pi k, 2 pi k, 1.231 plus 2 pi k, and 5.052.2 pi k.